an existing strategy, what you will learn in this channel, you can also add it to your own strategy to make sense. Okay, very good. So without taking your time, we're going to go straight first of all into the school of candlesticks. Okay, the major candlesticks which you need to know, those candlesticks that matters on your charts. Okay, those candlesticks that matters on your charts, the characteristics of candlesticks and their functions, their uses. First of all, you have to identify them first, and secondly, know what it is used for. What does this candlestick do? What does it stand for? When a candlestick is formed, you ask, what is this one stands for? What does this one do? What does this one mean? What's the function of this particular candlestick that has just been formed already? So we are going to go into several candlesticks and their characteristics and function, but first we are going to identify them before we talk about what they do, what they stand for. Okay, so the first one we are going to identify is the engulfing candlestick. The engulfing candlestick. The engulfing candlestick pattern. The engulfing candlestick is a candlestick that is very powerful, very prominent on all charts, all markets. Why? Because it's an indication. Okay, so we are going to first of all learn to identify that engulfing candlestick on our chart, and then after identifying the engulfing candlestick, we will now discover what it does. What does it mean? What does a big player do with them? Okay, you can find them on every chart from 1 minute to a monthly time frame. You will find the engulfing candlestick. So let us go for identification first of all. This is the current market volatility 10 index. Other currency, any market, you will find the engulfing candlestick. So let me just pick up my arrow and then we'll begin. So let's start from here. Okay, now engulfing candlestick are candlesticks that closes lower or higher before the previous candlestick. Example, I think I don't need an arrow here. Let me just use this to identify them. Number one is this. Let me make this red so you can see it very clearly. Okay, then remove. Okay, all right, so this is one. You can see, so this candle closed lower, far lower, lower than the previous candle. All right, you can see this one, long one, it closed lower than this previous candle. This is a typical engulfing candlestick. Okay, this is an engulfing what? Candlestick. We are identifying, remember, we are identifying them now. Let me show you more. Engulfing candlestick that matters are candlestick that the engulfing that matters is an engulfing that is in the right location. An engulfing that is in the wrong location doesn't really matter. Look at that. That's an engulfing. You can see it closed lower than the what? Lower than the previous candlestick. This is another type of engulfing. We have different types of engulfing. That's why I said let's identify them first of all before we talk about what they are used for. This is one. You can see this one here. This is one here. Look at this one here. Okay, let me mark it out with this square or rectangle. Good. You can see that one now. All right, that's an engulfing candlestick pattern. Very, very strategic, very, very important. Look at another one again. They come in different types, so you have to understand them before you can talk about what they do. Look at this one. You can see that one now, close above that particular candlestick. Location matters. Okay, location matters a lot. Look at this one again, bullish engulfing. Okay, so this one here right here is bearish engulfing. Bearish is for selling, bullish is for buying. This is bearish engulfing. This one right here is bullish engulfing. This is bullish engulfing. This is bullish engulfing. This is bearish engulfing. Okay. All right, so let's still identify more. This is 1 hour time frame. So let's go to, let me say, let's go to 4 hours time frame to check out for more engulfing patterns. Okay, good. All right, so before I even start, I believe you must have been spotting it out on the chart. All right, good. So let me take this one here. This is a bearish engulfing. You can see bearish engulfing. This is bullish engulfing. You see, very important, very important. And this is a bullish engulfing candlestick. You can see. Okay, another one again. This is a bullish engulfing. You can see, right? Very good. So with these few examples, your eyes can show you other bullish or bearish engulfing that are on your chart. So any chart you open, those are one of the first things you want to be looking out for. You understand that now? Very good. So let's move on for more identification of bullish and bearish engulfing. Okay, all right, seeing one. Okay, let me just move further to look for, okay, yeah. So from here we have this bullish engulfing, we have this bearish engulfing, and then we have this bullish engulfing, we have this bullish engulfing, we have this bullish engulfing, and we have this one bearish engulfing, and another bearish also by the side. Okay, good. So your ability to identify them matters a lot, And look at one again. Like I told you, they are in different types. Okay, but this one, we'll talk about this one later. All right, but let me just call it a bearish engulfing for now. We'll talk about this one later. Okay, so let me give a few seconds for this one to register in the video for your identification before we move further to learn more, to identify more bullish and bearish engulfing. Okay, so this is bullish and bearish engulfing are all here. Okay, in this place we just spotted. So let's move further to learn more. All right, let's go. Let's scroll. Let me go to 30 minutes time frame. Let me look at the time frame so we can detect more of the bullish and bearish engulfing. Bullish and bearish engulfing. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I've seen 4. It's more, but though, yeah. This is bearish engulfing. This is bullish engulfing, and another one by the side again, bullish engulfing, and another one following again, bullish engulfing, and one here, bearish engulfing, and this one here is also bullish. This one here is bullish. Okay, and then but the candles are sharing 2 candles, so let me just use this one also as a bullish. Okay, but those 2 candles here are bullish. Then this one here is bearish engulfing, and then let's just go with that for now. Okay, all right, this one here too looks another type of, you can see different types. It must not be the same, but a candle will close higher or lower than the previous one, and you can call it an engulfing candlestick pattern. So we have identified them and you have known them. So all you have to do now is to go to your chart and mark them out, identify them. Spend a day or a few hours to mark them so that you can easily know and understand that this is a bullish or bearish engulfing. Okay, so in our next video we're going to be talking about what does it stand for, what are they being used for. I will show you that functionality, how they function, how powerful they are, and how you can use them in your trading. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.